Oh, or how do. Right, today I am on with covering this that I've made in carpet. Goes all the way around there. Right, now the problem is, here, it's going to be okay. You know, once the carpet's on that, and on this, it's going to be nice snug. Same there, that's okay. Regarding here, I'm going to have to trim a bit of this, I think. Well, I am. Unless I just put the carpet up to there. No, I'll trim some. Can't think. Oh yeah, I've got a piece there. Right, anyway. Yeah, it's mainly where I'm going to have to trim. I'm going to have to trim right down there because that's really tight. And same at the back. There. I have to trim down here as well. So, out with the router again. I forgot to mention the seats are going to have to come out. If you've never took any seats out, all it is, it's 4 of them. Allen key. That's all it is. Yeah, because I'll be covering these boxes. Seats are out. Very, very simple procedure. Throw them back at van because it looks like it's going to rain. Right. Like I was saying about this here, look how close it is. That'll be okay. So it's a case of obviously mark out how much I'm going to, well, it's going to be with the carpet in it all the way down. Same with this, the lid. So what I'll do, I'll just mark where it needs cut trimming. What I'll do, I'll trim about, I don't know, centimetre or something for the thickness of carpet. Right, I shall get it marked up. Right, what I've basically done is measured all around. That's it. All around, give it a couple of centimetres extra, and I'm going to come right from the bottom, and I'm actually going to go over to the edge of this. Hopefully, well, I will, because I can. Right, yeah, I've cut that one there. That's all ready. Yeah, just use standing out. But listen, this is a word of warning. Be careful with these, because if you happen to slip and you cut your throat, you'll get blood all over your carpet. Oh, and you could die. Yeah, so they're very, very dangerous, these, so be careful. Ready to put it on. This is what I use. No nonsense spray contact adhesive from Screwfix. Really good stuff. And I forgot how much these are. It's not the end, it's about £3. That's all it is, compared to some stuff you can buy. £5 plus. And it is really good stuff. Right, I'm going to spray inside first. In here, and then jump outside right quick and get it round. I'll spray it top after. Right, I'm going to try and time lapse this.
You've got to give it a good shake.
My nozzle's blocked. With glue. We're cooking. Right, I'm just going to spray it to the side of the carpet. Only problem now, we've got to wait a couple of minutes. For good dacky. This were a bad idea. doing it all in one. I think I should have cut this before I attempted to do it alright, really. Whoops. Right, cut out the square at the front. What I've done at the front opening, I haven't actually cut to the edge. Obviously you can't see it there, but I'm doing it so as I can fold it in, you know, make a really nice tidy looking edge. In fact, I don't think that is actually going to work. It's just, it seems too much of a sharp bend. I don't think it'll stick. Could be wrong though. Just rounds it all off, you know, rather neat. Right, that's one. I really honestly don't know what to do about that. It's too springy, you know, when you push back, it's just springing back, obviously. I'll give it a go. Right, I'm going to really leave this to go right tacky. Really tacky. Might give it a chance then. Bit of the blue underlay showing through, which is very annoying. But man, you can see it's going to be there, isn't it? But it seems to have caught hold. I'll tell you what it is, this is going to be a test for the no nonsense contact adhesive from screwfixdirect.com. It's very pretty. It's lovely jubbly. That knows. Ah. That's that bit of blue that we're talking about. I can hardly see it now. Yeah, them bits there, look, can you see? Where I've brought them round. Now, whether they're gonna hold, I don't know. But like I say, looks the part, doesn't it? It's been tucked in. Oh, it's coming now here now. Yeah, it doesn't matter about this bit here because you're not going to see it. Same at the back, not going to really see that. These vents, I don't know to bother cutting any holes in and that, pointless I think. Right, and what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut the material because I struggled here. That's why I was struggling getting it on. So I'll just crack on with that there. Plus you got the gear stick and everything, yeah. I'll just cut it all. What I've had to do is do it in two parts. it was just getting too complicated. I know how to take handbrake off, and I was scared of it going boing like they do, you know. So what I'm doing from here all the way around, just a couple of centimetres past there. Plus, I don't think you'll be able to see it anyway, because like I say, it's at the back here, and then just come right through. That's the piece I've cut. Right. I can't believe how easy that went on. Just goes to show, doesn't it? Prep. You okay? Don't forget there's that cover to go there. Over handbrake. I'm happy with that. I can't believe how easy that was. I thought it was going to be an nightmare. Just watch now. This simple procedure going on there would be a pain in the arse. Well, I'm seriously pissed off. I've run out of glue. But I have given it plenty, you see. And then I realised I didn't really need to because I got a staple gun, hadn't I? Right. Yeah. Looks okay, doesn't it? I'm just wondering, you know, whether to do down here. But having said that, though, if it's raining, you're going, carpet's going to stink. It's going to stink on there. But I might get a bit of a rubber mat on each. But yeah, it's going to look okay. It's going to look absolutely pretty.